rush. And we got Buddy with us today. Say hello, Buddy. You alright, mate? Yeah, he's a good boy, aren't you? Moving the boat. I'm just going to meet Simon here a minute. I was going to go home and come back, but we're running out of time, as I say. So, you got something for me, Simon?
I have. In thanks for all of your hard work, here's the key to the yard so you can finish it off.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Beauty. Beauty.
And it even works.
Does it? Cool.
Good enough, take one. Action. Wow, too far. There she is. There she is.
Got safety chain on there? Was it?
With the wheels on.
Stupid, yeah, well they're quite wobbly.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Yeah, pop it in there.
Yeah, right on. Awesome.
Cool. I'll go again then.
Thank you very much for coming in. You nearly had a fight to watch though, so that's alright.
Pardon? What was that about? With that guy?
I'll mate you with a barrier at the end. Wouldn't let me in. So I went round again, got out ready to kick his ass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had to hold him back and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It must have been really stressful.
Scrappy dude. Yeah, went round again, I got out to talk to him and he just went, oh, quickly.
Are you alright then? I don't need to
Yeah, no, we're all good. Yeah, we're all good.
Oh, cheers.
Thanks, honey.
Here's look, in a little parking space for the next week or so. In the corner, next to the power supply. The rest of the boats that are sitting there, waiting to go in. Well, that's the boat sat where it's going to be sat for a week or two now. Bit of a, not stressful, but not quite how we wanted it to be, because there was a race for life going on at the time, which we weren't aware of. So trying to get through the barriers and all that sort of stuff to park the boat up was fun. But the boat's in its place. We had a chit chat with some local guy down there, an older fella. He had a lovely boat. We was having a chit chat with him, and you know, kind of got the gist of the place. Simon's been down there a few times because his mate Kev's got a boat there. Had a look at the moorings and such, and yeah, good to go. Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to crack on with it where it's sat, get it in the water. It's real exciting now, isn't it, buddy? It's exciting, isn't it, buddy? Yes, it is.